How to fix the pip command is not recognized in Visual Studio Code. First, you will need to make sure that you have Python installed, and you can check that by typing in the terminal Python like this, and you can add -- version, and it should print Python version. Now, if it doesn't print anything, that means Python is not installed in your system. So you want to open up a new browser tab and search for Python download like this. And you want to click on the download Python, and you can choose whatever version you're trying to download. So I'm going to download the latest one, and then click on download Python installer manager and wait for it to finish downloading Python. Or you can get the standalone installer by clicking Python 3.14 version. Once the download is complete, just run the installer to install the Python version, and then click on Add Python exe to path. This is very important. And then click on Install Now and confirm to install Python. And once the installation is done, you can close it, and then you can try again whether in the command line or the Visual Studio terminal, Visual Studio Code. You can type Python -- version and then press enter. If it shows a version like this, that means it's installed. You want to also make sure that you have the latest version added to your environment variable, or the version that you've installed recently. So you can open the start menu and search for environment like this, and then click on edit the system environment variables, and then click on environment variables, and from here you should find Python under path. Double click on it, and you should find the Python path right here, which says local Python and the version, and then followed by scripts. So make sure to leave only the latest version, or the version that you want to use. You might have the multiple ones. You can select the ones you don't need and press delete, and you can manually add these paths if you don't have them already by clicking on the new button and then specify the path or paste the path here to add it. And once you're done, you can press OK, and then press OK again and can close this. Now you want to type pip again in the command line or terminal, and if it shows the usage guidelines, that means it's working and it's being detected. Otherwise, if it's still showing an error, you can try to type Python space -get -pip.py. Remove the hyphen at the beginning and then run the script. Now, once you do this, you can basically start using pip, and if it still doesn't recognize pip, you can try to close Visual Studio Code and restart your system by clicking on the restart button. And once you restart your system, you should open up the PowerShell or the Visual Studio Code, and once you type pip install something or run the pip command, it should work properly. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.